Hey, Jessica here. Let's quickly create a job card template. From the left feature bar, choose Services, then select Job Card Template. In the form type, you need to write your template name. You can either choose from the list or click the plus sign to add a new one. Let's type oil change and click Add. Remember, everything we're doing today is a one-time setup. Below that, you'll see some print settings. You don't need to worry about those for now. Now here in this header section, you're going to type in all your form questions. And next to that, in the UI type column, you'll choose what kind of answers you want. Let's try it out. Let's type our first job card question as customer name and choose text as the UI type. Click Save. Next, let's type vehicle type and set the UI type to combo. Next, choose the data source as manual, and let's enter some options. Let's type car, click the plus sign. Next, let's type bike. Click the plus sign and click Add. Now let's do brand. Let's type brand in the header and choose nested combo box. In the options, type the brand name, let's enter Maruti, and click on the plus icon. Next option should be the car name. Let's enter car name as Swift. Select Maruti as the parent option and click Add. Next, let's type date of service and select date as the input type. Easy. Click Add, then type time and choose time as the input type. Click Add. Now type upload and select file upload from the UI type. Click Add. Let's type old oil condition as our next form question. Still typing. Choose radio as the UI type. Now add the options. Let's type good. Click on the plus sign. And then let's type bad. Click on the plus sign. And then click Add. Last question. Let's type extra service. In the header section, choose checkbox as the UI type. Let's fastly type first option as yes, click on the plus sign. Then no as the second one, click on the plus sign and click Add. Now, from the right side, you can add the items needed for this service. Let's add engine oil, which we already added in stock. Select engine oil, hit Save, and done. Our job card template is ready. Coming up next, using this job card in real time. Stay tuned.